Well, you know what it is? I asked how many of you have ever been with a friend, and all of a sudden you think that there's something wrong, and instead of just saying like, "Is there something wrong?" you don't say anything, and then like a week goes by, and 2 weeks go by, and now it's weird between you, and finally that person after 3 weeks is smart enough as your friend to go, "Dude, are you okay? Is there something going on?" And then you're like, "Oh, I thought you were mad at me." It's like, no. It's like, okay, well, you legit could have saved yourself 3 weeks of friendship because we don't even ask. That's one thing that I want people to be communicative about. Is like if you have a student and you think they're upset about something, instead of just like I'm the teacher, they're the student, and like blowing it off, like after class, listen, just are you okay? Are you upset at me for anything? It's a human to human interaction. But you have the kids that are going to test you, and all they want is a facial expression.